Hey wonderful friends, today I have challenged myself to the DIY popcorn bag which is used in the microwave. I'm sure many of y'all must have come across the sachets that y'all get in supermarket for these popcorns. You can simply place them in your microwave and there you have your popcorn ready after 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Very easy way. So I have tried this out by making the paper bag at home, not by using any market glue, by using a homemade edible safe glue. Yes, I have done a video on this before. I'll attach the link up there. Let's take a look at the challenge and see if it was a success or not. So here I have taken white paper and this is the glue which is edible safe, and I am going to fold this paper to nearly 3/4 of this page, the A4 size. See that the paper is neat because you're going to use this for making popcorns to eat. And the top one also I will fold it and I'll just open it once it's folded because I'll need to now apply the glue on the lower folded area of the paper. Once you're done with this process, on the downward side you'll have to fold a top fold in this way. Make your folds tight, firm, and on the sides of those folds you will fold triangles, tiny side triangles in this way. Then you'll open up the fold and you'll place your finger across and stretch the fold, and the side triangles will form larger in this way, as you can see. Now this flap needs to go up in this way. You will make your firm lines of fold and then apply glue. You can even apply glue on the sides, which will be much safer when it comes to the popcorn. And I'll fold the top end as well, and this will form the base of this paper bag. Now even the side I will fold it on the longer way in this way. The same I'll do on the opposite one as well. Your folds need to be firm, and we'll continue with the same process. Once I'm done with folding, I'll open up the paper bag. Open the base of it and then put in your hand through the top to open it in this shape, as you see. You will then leave this paper bag to dry for some time. Now what I'll do is, taking the popcorn, I will pour in. This is already ready made with butter added to it. If not, you all can even make plain ones, or you all can add a little hard butter. Here, because of the climate condition, the butter is melted. As you can see, the popcorns have turned out very well. A few of the kernels did not make it through, so I will be doing around 2. Even if the bag is open, I will just fold it up and put it in the microwave. So here it's done, and the remaining kernels popped as well. As you can see, the bag is a little burnt in the area where we applied glue at the bottom, but it's fine because we need to discard it. Simple, right? Have you all ever thought that there could be an easier way at home to make such kind of disposable popcorn bags using glue which is edible safe? Many of y'all must have not even guessed that this thing could be possible, but then I was someone who wanted to actually give it a try at home, and the challenge was 100% success. Do let me know in the comment section if you all liked this hack or no. For those of y'all who are new visitors or have come here before, it's my sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it to get updates on all my upcoming videos. That's all on today's hack. Do let me know how was it in the comment section. I will certainly be waiting to read your comments. And I'll meet you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.